Hello viewers, welcome to a new recipe in Kalosona channel. Today I bring you a summer special recipe of rich gourd and potatoes or jhinge aloo. Jhinge alur sabji is a very common tarkari or sabji or vegetable made during the summer months. It is a very common and cheap vegetable and is nutritious and healthy also. In order to cook it, the processing is very important. You have to take off the green skin of the rich gourd, take off all the ridges but keep a little bit of skin in between the ridges sticking to the rich gourd. Otherwise the rich gourd will become soft and mushy when you cook it, as the vegetable is very soft. So this is how I am cutting the rich gourd, peeling off all the ridges with a peeler and keeping a little bit of skin sticking to it. As you can see, we have already cut the potatoes. I have taken one large medium potato and then made it into pieces. So we are chopping off the jhinge or the rich gourd like this into cube sizes. So you make cubic pieces so that it goes well with the potatoes, because when cooking vegetables it is very essential that all the components are more or less of the same size and same thickness. The cooking is consistent then. So I am taking a little bit more vegetables of rich gourd because the rich gourd will dry up when cooked. So for one single person you need 2 to 3 rich gourds of this size. Accordingly, you can calculate how much you will be needing for your whole family, because after cooking the rich gourd, as it contains a lot of water, dries up and shrinks. So the volume of the vegetable is reduced after cooking. Now heat oil, mustard oil in a wok and temper it with panchforon. Panchforon is a mixture of spices, Bengali spices, 5 types. As you can see, you can skip it also if you do not have panchforon. I am using a little bit of salt in the hot oil so that it doesn't splutter. Then you put in the potatoes and slowly but surely you fry them in slow fire till they're golden brown, because the potatoes have to be almost done in order to make this vegetable. So I'm cooking the potatoes by adding salt, turmeric and 2 pieces of green chilies. You split the green chili and then put it in oil. Now after the potatoes have been done almost, I am adding in my jhinge or the rich gourd. You have to mix both the vegetables very well inside the oil. In low fire, cook the whole thing slowly so that all the juice or the water inside the vegetables come out and the vegetables stew in their own soup. So then the taste will not be lost, the nutritions won't be lost, and the whole sabji or the vegetable will be very tasty. So I'm covering it up and keeping the fire low and adding these spices now. 1 teaspoon of coriander and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. You add the powdered spices just after the adding of jhinge or rich gourd. Now mix everything very well with your spatula and let it cook in slow fire without water and covered. So I am trying to cook it and checking the softness of the potatoes. Then after it is done, I am adding hot water, or you may add normal temperature water too. It doesn't matter in this case if you add water in normal temperature. The whole thing I cover it and bring it to a boil in low flame. Now look, the whole soup is boiling and I am again covering it so that the soup dries up. That is, the vegetables are now well done, the potatoes are already done and the jhinge or the rich gourd is also soft. So I have finished cooking my sabji or vegetable and serving. I am taking it out to serve. If you like my cooking, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.